Feasting with Chef Anthony, we'll be doing holiday leftovers. Things that you can do with your honey-baked ham. This week we have 3 great recipes for you to learn. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Feasting with Chef Anthony. I love this one. Our first recipe will be northern ham soup. We're gonna get this ham bone, dunk it in this Instapot right here that we have, and create a delicious soup. First thing we wanna do is put us some fat into this Instapot. Let that melt. Pour our onions and our celery and our bell pepper in and let that saute for a minute. 2 teaspoons of onion powder. Put it in the vegetables. A little bit of salt, not too much. And that's when you want to put in your fresh minced garlic, like so. And then we'll stir. Mix all those good flavors up. That good old honey-baked ham that you have from Christmas, we're about to incorporate that in this wonderful soup. Now what we want to do is take our beans. Got some northern beans right here. Pour them in to the Instapot. Stir just a little bit. Get all that mixed up. Looking delicious. And now what we want to do is toss in our bay leaves. Got the 2 bay leaves. 3 bay leaves. And last but not least, the corporate. That good old ham bone. Drop that ham bone over there. And now what we're gonna do is pour our chicken broth inside here until we cover that bone up. Then we're gonna close the Instapot. Put it on pressure cook. We're back. Feasting with Chef Anthony. Looks like this northern ham soup is about ready. Let's let some of the steam out. I'm definitely an Instapot supporter. Shout out to Instapot. Salute. You know. Instapot, you're the shit, man. Yes, sir. It's time to feast with Chef Anthony. Let's dig in.